Something just came in the mail and it is absolutely not financial responsibility. As you probably already know from the title of the video, we got, finally, our Billet supercharger lid. Now in 2025, I got my dream car, and in 2026, I got it cammed. And I've been daily driving this car damn near for the past year and a half now. And honestly, it's been a great experience. It's very doable. You just gotta know where you're at, you know? So like right now, just then, I can barely hear the supercharger, and I doubt the microphone can even pick up anything from that. Like I hear it, but not that loud, especially not over the exhaust. Which, if you're new to the channel, I do have the Tech Speed long tube headers under X-pipe. I have the mufflers, the OEM mufflers in, and I have a cam. So it's not the quietest, but it's not the loudest. So yeah, I do have a video on the channel with all the exhaust phases the car has gone through. And the only update that I haven't done yet is with the cam, which I'm doing right now technically. So yeah, we're gonna go to a nice little isolated area and get some supercharger sounds from there as a before clip. Everything done to the car so far up to now is a 2.3 upper pulley, a Rotofab big gulp cold air intake, and the cam, obviously, and the Tech Speed X-pipe and long tube headers. Currently, we're pushing 600 wheel horsepower because my tuner said my car had really bad heating problems during the dyno run, which is why he limited the car a lot. So until we get that dealt with, which is we're gonna do next month, we're gonna be installing an ice tank, billet, Kong, water manifold, and a whole new heat exchanger. All that will be done next month. And then after that, is the most exciting part. In around August to September, we're gonna be sending our blower over to Kong to get it ported, get a 103 throttle body. After it's tuned for the blower, the throttle body, and everything else, we're gonna get a drag pack, which, boy, I cannot wait. There's an Audi R8 right there. Damn. Here we have it, the Rotofab intake, the pulley, and the cam all in there. Now, of course, with the early C7 models up to the 2014 to 16, we have the short supercharger lid, which is another cause for the heating problems. The billet lid will not help with the heating problems, I don't think, but it will definitely look a lot better and sound a whole lot better. So I'm gonna leave the microphone around here and then rev it from the inside so we can hear that supercharger. While we're also here, people ask me all the time how it is driving this car. Especially at my age. I am 25, I turned 25 a few months ago. I daily drive this car to a certain degree, and it's very doable. It's very fun, obviously, and of course it's pricey as well, especially with gas these days. The car has stock suspension, so it's not too low, but you just gotta know where you're at, you know? You just gotta know your surroundings when you daily drive this car. And when it comes to what to watch out for this platform, like I said, the early models, the 2014 to 16, which is what I have 16, just has some really bad heating problems, but that's really all around it. Got to a point that these models got recalled. This car got recalled. The short supercharger lid, which is a little ugly, which is another reason why we're getting it replaced. And honestly, the torque tube in these cars, all models, are a little fishy, but I haven't had any problems yet, and God forbid. But yeah, that's about it. I love these cars. Honestly, in my opinion, the best car you can get for your bang for buck, all around, like looks, performance, interior, speed, everything. I love this car, best car ever. I did take out the little weather padding. It is right there, and that is where I'm gonna put the lid after I take it off. It is hot in here. Yeah. Oh, shut my back. I'm getting too over shit. Some people say you gotta take this off. You don't. It would help, definitely. Yeah, you don't. Alright, well, we've made a lot of progress. We're able to loosen up all these bolts without having to take all this off. Now I'm just getting everything ready to take out. And we will cut when we are taking this up. It's still hot though, so. Oh, yeah. There we go. And there is the stock LT4 supercharger. This will be getting shipped to Kong in a few months. maybe 2 months. The gasket's already in there, so that's really good. There they are, side to side. Wow. It's mostly about the height difference too. Wow, wow, that is something. Whew. Oh yeah, that's a huge difference. It's way taller, shinier, everything. Now, should we run the car without the hood for a while? What do y'all think? Alright, I have the torque wrench set up to 7.5 foot-pounds. Alright, we got everything down. We just need the last 3 up front. Now make sure you follow the order because I almost got one of them in the wrong order. Perfect. We are all done. We'll get clips. I'm gonna go out right now, get groceries, and then go to the gym, and we'll be right back. Oh! Oh! Oh, I definitely hear it. Oh, that sounds a lot different. Not just louder, but a slightly different tone. We put it back into sport mode. Open valves. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you hear it. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, my miles per gallon just went down like a motherfucker. Oh my goodness. Wow. Same thing from last time. Well, that will be all for this video. Stay tuned next month for the tooling system, and then the month after that will be the Kong ported blower and the 103 throttle body. See y'all, drive safe.